Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and making the battery accessible. Park level, set the parking brake, turn ignition fully off, and wait a few minutes to let systems sleep. Put on gloves and goggles, grab a 10 mm socket, torque wrench, and terminal puller. Once ready, open the hood, remove the plastic engine cover clips, and expose the battery. Make sure to disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Then loosen the positive clamp. This prevents sparks and protects your car's electronics. Now you'll remove the old battery and install the new one. Loosen and remove the hold-down bracket, then lift the battery straight out with both hands. It's heavy, around 20 to 30 pounds. Before installing the replacement, clean terminal clamps and the tray using a wire brush and a baking soda solution to neutralize acid. This prevents future corrosion. Position the new battery in the tray, secure the hold down to the specified torque, and reconnect the positive terminal first to re-establish power safely. Finish by reconnecting the negative terminal last, then reinstall the plastic covers and any removed panels. Once everything is secure, start the engine and watch the dash for warning lights. Make sure lights, wipers, and HVAC work normally. If systems behave oddly, reset memory items like clock and radio presets. If the car won't start, make sure terminals are tight and clean, and inspect the main fuses and battery voltage with a multimeter. This is the most common fix for a no start after replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.